How to enable wind noise reduction on Sony ZV-1 camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn on the wind noise reduction on the Sony ZV-1 camera, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To turn on wind noise reduction, maybe you're recording outside and then you have some of the wind noise and then you would like to reduce those noise. To reduce it is very simple. Before you record, you can just hit the menu button here. Then here you can go to movie tree. So there are many type of movie 1, movie 2, movie 3. Navigate to movie 3 here, and here you can see wind noise reduction. Currently it's set to off, so to turn it on, select that, and now just select the on button here, and once you select the on button, wind noise reduction will get successfully turned on. This way you can turn on wind noise reduction on Sony ZV-1. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.